The next topic is why power sharing is desirable. Thus, two different sets of reason can be given in favor of power sharing. Firstly, power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. So the first reason why power sharing is very important, or you can say it's very good, because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict, that means fighting among different social groups. Since social conflict often leads to violence and political instability, power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. So whenever there is a conflict between the two communities or two or more communities, it finally leads to the violence and political instability. So if we will use the power sharing will help us to ensure the, or you can say, to make the balance in the political order. Imposing the will of majority community over others may look like an attractive option in the short run, but in the long run it undermines the unity of the nation. If the majority community will impose their will on the other, or you can say on the other minority community, it will look attractive for only for short run, that means only for a short period of time, but in the long run it determines the unity of the nation. Tyranny of the majority is not just oppressive for the minority, it often brings ruin to the majority as well. The meaning of this line is that if there is a conflict between the two community, that means the majority committee and the minority committee, it finally brings to the conflict between the both the communities. There is a second deeper reason why power sharing is good for democracies. Power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. A democratic rule involves sharing power with those affected by its exercise and who have to live with its effect. People have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. A legitimate government is one where citizens, through participation, acquire a stake in the system. The second reason is that if a country will have a power sharing, that means the power is divided into different parts, it will be good for democracy, that means to rule a country in a better way. If a democratic rule is not there in a power sharing, it will finally affect the whole community. Okay, and the power sharing is very important in any country where democracy is there, because without democracy power sharing will not work in a better way. Let us call the first set of reason, that is prudential, and the second one moral. So the first one which we have learned is the reason, that reason is known as the prudential reason, and the second one is known as the moral reason. While prudential reasons stress that power sharing will bring out better outcomes. So in the prudential reason we have learned how if there is a power sharing in a country, the better outcome, that means the better result will be there. And moral reason emphasizes that very act of the power sharing are valuable. The second reason, that means we have learned over here, is that moral reason, and in moral reason emphasizes that if a power sharing is there in a country, it will be more valuable, that means every citizens of that particular country will have equal identity and equal value in the eyes of a law.